Well, today we will discuss application of ordinary differential equations of first order. And first kind of application is to find the equation of orthogonal trajectories. So first let us define what is orthogonal trajectories. So orthogonal means right angles. Orthogonal means right angles, means perpendicular, and trajectory is a Latin word, means cut across. Okay, so trajectory. Let us first define what is trajectory, and then we will define this orthogonal trajectory. So trajectory, a curve which cuts every member of the given family of curves. Family of curves, a curve which cuts every member of the given family of curves according to some definite law. According to some definite law is called trajectory of the family. Is called trajectory of the family. So a curve which cuts every member of a given family of curves according to some definite law is called a trajectory, okay, of the family. Now, second one is, what is orthogonal trajectory? A curve which cuts every member of the given family of curves at right angles. Okay, definite law here, right angles. Clear? A curve which cuts every member of a given family of curves at right angle is called orthogonal trajectory. One curve, okay? Orthogonal trajectory of the family. Now, what is orthogonal trajectories? Two families of curves. Two families of curves are said to be orthogonal. Two families of curves, okay, are said to be orthogonal if every member of either family cuts each members of the other family at right angles. So this one is called orthogonal trajectory. So two families of curve are said to be orthogonal if every member of either family cuts each member of the other family at right angle. So in other words, orthogonal trajectories are a family of curves in the plane that intersect a given family of curves at right angles. Okay? Orthogonal trajectories are a family of curves. Okay? Orthogonal trajectories are a family of curves in the plane that intersect a given family of the curves at right angles. So in applied mathematics, we frequently come across family of curves related in this manner. Like classical examples of orthogonal trajectories are, first one is meridians and parallels on a world globe. अगर आप इस चीज़ को देखोगे, जो आपके पास वर्ल्ड ग्लोब है, ठीक है, उसमें मेरिडियंस एंड पैरेलल्स, दे आर cut perpendicular to each other. Okay, so meridians and parallels are examples of orthogonal trajectories. So every member of this curve, okay, is perpendicular to this every member of this parallels. Second example is curves of steepest descent and contour lines on a map, curves of electric force and equipotential lines, streamlines and equipotential lines of constant velocity potential, lines of heat flow and isothermal curves. These are the examples of classical examples of orthogonal trajectories. Now see, let us consider this one family of curves. Okay, when family of curves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on, family of curves. Okay, so हम कैसे अब ज्योमेट्रिकली रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे कि एक और फैमिली जो कि हर कर्व को 90 डिग्री पे कट कर रही हो, तो वो जो एक फैमिली बनेगी वो इस टाइप से बनेगी. अब आप देखिए, ये जो कर्व है, ये यहाँ पे हर कर्व को 90 डिग्री पे कट कर रहा है. ये जो कर्व है, ये हर कर्व को 90 डिग्री पे कट कर रहा है. ठीक है, जहां भी ये कट करेगा वो 90 डिग्री पे करेगा. ओके, तो अगर ये इक्वेशन है फैमिली ऑफ कर्व्स की, तो ये अगर कर्व है फैमिली ऑफ कर्व्स का, तो ये जो कर्व है ये है ऑर्थोगोनल ट्रेजेक्टरी ऑफ दिस family of curves. अब आप, if we draw the two families together on the same graph, we obtain like this way. Okay? तो यहाँ पर दोनों families को इकट्ठा रखा गया है. एक family of curves ये है, एक family of curves ये है, और ये दोनों family of curves के हर member जो हैं एक दूसरे को 90 डिग्री पे कट कर रहे हैं. ओके, सो व्हेन वी कंबाइन बोथ द ग्राफ्स वी गेट दीज टू फैमिलीज ऑफ कर्व. सिमिलरली सपोज वन फैमिली ऑफ कर्व इज दिस. ओके, और इसकी अगर परपेंडिकुलर हम दूसरी फैमिली को क्रिएट करें, ठीक है, दैट वन इज लाइक दिस. Okay, that one is the orthogonal to this 90 degree to this each and every point. Okay, if we combine both the families together, okay, we obtain like this curve. Okay, so question is, ये इक्वेशन आपको दे रखी होगी, इस फैमिली की इक्वेशन दे रखी होगी, ठीक है, और इस फैमिली की इक्वेशन को आपने डिराइव करना है. ओके, सो फाइंड द ऑर्थोगोनल ट्रैजेक्टरी फॉर ए गिवन फैमिली ऑफ कर्व्स. ये हम कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स करेंगे, कुछ मेथड्स लर्न करेंगे कि कैसे ये जो फैमिली है इसकी इक्वेशन को बनाना है अगर ये फैमिली ऑफ कर्व्स आपको दे रखा हुआ है. ठीक है, सो मेथड ऑफ फाइंडिंग द इक्वेशन ऑफ ऑर्थोगोनल ट्रेजेक्टरीज ऑफ ए फैमिली ऑफ कर्व्स. So let us consider if we have given a family of curves in a Cartesian type, okay, Cartesian form. So Cartesian curve is function of x, y, c is equal to 0. तो देखिए c की आप जैसे जैसे वैल्यू चेंज करते जाओगे एक एक मेंबर उस कर्व का बनता जाएगा. ठीक है, so we get a family of curve, right? So step number 1 is to find the differential equation of the given family of curves. तो देखिए ये family of curves दे रखा हुआ है. Family of curves, equation of the family of curve is given. So first step is find the differential equation of that family of curve. Okay, अब वो differential equation कैसे निकालोगे? First step is differentiate the given family of curves 1, then eliminate the arbitrary constant c between 1 and the resulting equation. Okay, and that gives the differential equation of the family, and that one is function of x, y, dy over dx is equal to 0, and this one is the differential equation of the family of curves. This one is the equation of family of curve. This one is the differential equation of the family of curves. तो देखिए अगर family of curves दे रखा हुआ है, आपने family of orthogonal trajectories निकालनी है, तो ये जो एक जर्नी है, ठीक है, इसके बीच में डिफरेंशियल ये जो आपने कंसेप्ट अभी लर्न किया है, ठीक है ना, ये आपको यूज़ करना पड़ेगा. आपको ये आप डायरेक्टली नहीं बना पाओगे, आपको डिफरेंशियल कैलकुलस से निकलना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, आपको पहले डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन ऑफ फैमिली ऑफ कर्व निकालनी है, फिर आपको डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन ऑफ ऑर्थोगोनल ट्रेजेक्टरी निकालनी है, और जो डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन होगी उसको फिर सॉल्व करना है, तब आपकी फैमिली ऑफ ऑर्थोगोनल ट्रेजेक्टरी बनेगी. तो हमारे 4 स्टेप्स हो गए. पहला ये, okay, second one is differential equation of the family of curves, right, and then write the differential equation of the orthogonal trajectory, okay, and then solve that differential equation, you will get family of orthogonal trajectory. So we have 4 steps, right? So step number 1 here, find the differential equation of the given family of curves. Now second step, to find the differential equation of orthogonal trajectories, and method is replace dy over dx by minus dx over dy. ये आपका टेंजेंट है, ये भी एक टेंजेंट का ही पार्ट है. ठीक है, तो ये एक जो फैमिली है वहाँ उसका टेंजेंट है, और ये जो ऑर्थोगोनल ट्रेजेक्टरी बनेगी ये इस टाइप से क्यों लिया गया? क्योंकि अगर ये स्लोप है, ये स्लोप है, m1 है, m2 है, तो m1 इंटू m2 जो है वो -1 होना चाहिए. Clear? Purpose is the product of their slopes at each point of intersection is -1. So for this reason, replace dy over dx by minus dx over dy. तो जब आप ये रिप्लेस करोगे तो आपकी डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन ऑर्थोगोनल ट्रेजेक्टरी की क्या बनेगी? That one is f x y minus dx over dy is equal to 0, and that one is the differential equation of the orthogonal trajectory. अब डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन ऑफ ऑर्थोगोनल ट्रेजेक्टरी बन गई, अब इसको आपने सॉल्व करना है. अब सॉल्व कैसे करना है? देखो, वेरिएबल सेपरेबल फॉर्म है, या आपकी होमोजेनियस फॉर्म है, या लीनियर इक्वेशंस है, या एग्जैक्ट डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन है, जो भी है आप उसको सॉल्व करिए, जो भी आपको प्रोसेस आपने लर्न किए हैं. ठीक है, सो स्टेप नंबर 3 इज फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ द ऑर्थोगोनल ट्रेजेक्टरी. डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन दे रखी हुई है, आपने इक्वेशन ऑफ द ऑर्थोगोनल ट्रेजेक्टरी को इवेलुएट करना है. ओके, एंड व्हेन यू सॉल्व, okay, differential equation of orthogonal trajectory, we get the equation of the required orthogonal trajectories. तो ये एक process है, ठीक है ना? Follow this process. Okay, first write the equation of the family of curves, then in the first step find the differential equation of the family of curves, then replacing dy over dx by minus dx over dy, we obtain the differential equation of the orthogonal trajectories. then solve that differential equation, you will get the equation of the orthogonal trajectories. Okay. Now, method of finding the equation of orthogonal trajectory of a family of curves when we have given polar curve, function of r theta c is equal to 0. Again, same process, find the differential equation of the given family of curves. Okay. Differentiate given family of curves and eliminate the arbitrary constant c between 1 and the resulting equation. We get the differential equation of the family of curves, and that one is function of r theta dr over d theta is equal to 0. अब वहां पर तो आपने किया dy over dx replaced by minus dx over dy. यहां पर क्या करोगे? To find the differential equation of the orthogonal trajectory, differential equation of the orthogonal trajectory. So replace in this equation dr over d theta, this one dr over d theta by minus r square d theta over dr. और अगर आपकी ये d theta over dr की फॉर्म में दे रखा हुआ है, ठीक है, then r d theta over dr by minus 1 over r dr over d theta. Okay, and hence the given orthogonal trajectory equation is function of r theta minus r square d theta over dr is equal to 0. Okay, d theta over dr is equal to 0, and that one is the differential equation of the orthogonal trajectory. And solve this differential equation, okay, of this orthogonal trajectory, we get the required orthogonal trajectory. We get the required orthogonal trajectory, equation of orthogonal trajectory. So these are the methods to find the equation of family of orthogonal trajectories. Okay. So let us solve few problems related to these methods. Okay. So first one is find the orthogonal trajectories of the family of parabolas y square is equal to 4ax. तो देखिए a की different जब आप values दोगे तो एक family बनेगी, curves की family बनेगी, parabolas की family बनेगी, ठीक है. So we have given this one is a family of curves. Okay, equation of the family of curves is given, and that one is y square is equal to 4ax. So given family of parabolas is y square is equal to 4ax. Now what is the first step? Find the equation, differential equation of this family of curves. How can we evaluate? So differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. So when you differentiate, we get y dy over dx is equal to 2a, and eliminate a. Okay, eliminate a between 1 and this 2. Okay, we obtain y is equal to 2x dy over dx, and this one is the differential equation of the given family of the curves. This one is the given differential equation of the given family of the curves. ठीक है. उसके बाद क्या स्टेप करना आपने? Replace dy over dx by minus dx over dy for obtaining this differential equation of the orthogonal trajectories. So find the differential equation of orthogonal trajectories. So replace dy over dx by minus dx over dy in result number this 3. Okay, we obtain y is equal to minus 2x dx over dy. So we obtain this differential equation, and this one is the differential equation of the family of orthogonal trajectory. Family of orthogonal trajectory. Now solve this differential equation. So when you solve this differential equation, we obtain 2x square plus y square is equal to constant, and that one is the equation of the family of the orthogonal trajectories. Okay. So in this way you can evaluate, you can solve few more problems related to the evaluation of equations of orthogonal trajectories. Okay. One more question, find the orthogonal trajectories of the family of semi-cubical parabolas a y square is equal to x cube. Okay. So this one is the this one is the equation of family of semi-cubical parabolas. Okay. Now find the differential equation of this family. Okay. So when you differentiate with respect to x, we obtain dy over dx is equal to 3x square over 2ay. Eliminate a between 1 and 3. Between 1 and 3, we obtain this expression, which is nothing but differential equation of the given family of curves. Now replace dy over dx by minus dx over dy, okay, for finding the differential equation of the orthogonal trajectories. So to find the differential equation of the orthogonal trajectories. So for orthogonal trajectory, replace dy over dx by minus dx over dy. In third, we obtain this one is the differential equation of orthogonal trajectories. Right? Now solve this differential equation. So when you solve this differential equation, we obtain 2x square plus 3y square is equal to c square, which is the required equation of orthogonal trajectories. तो आपको steps clear होने चाहिए, बाकी कोई मुश्किल काम नहीं है. सिंपल इंटीग्रल है, ठीक है, इंडेफिनेट टाइप के इंटीग्रल्स हैं, इनको सॉल्व करके आप ये सारा निकाल सकते हो, राइट। सो वन मोर क्वेश्चन ऑफ पोलर कर्व, okay, find the orthogonal trajectory of the cardioids r is equal to a 1 minus cos theta, okay, find the equation of the orthogonal trajectory for this family of curves, and that curve family of curves is cardioids, okay. So equation of the family of the given cardioid is r is equal to a 1 minus cos theta. To find the differential equation of the given family of curves, differentiate with respect to theta, differentiate with respect to theta, we obtain dr over d theta is equal to a sin theta. Now eliminate a, okay, so by dividing we can eliminate a, so we obtain 1 over r dr over d theta is equal to cot theta by 2, and this one is the differential equation of the given family of the curves. Then what is the second step? To find the differential equation of the orthogonal trajectory, and for obtaining the differential equation of this orthogonal trajectory, replace dr over d theta by minus r square d theta over dr. So replace dr over d theta, this dr over d theta by minus r square d theta over dr, we obtain this differential equation, dr over r plus tan theta over 2 d theta is equal to 0, and that one is the differential equation of the given family of orthogonal trajectories, okay. And now solve this differential equation. So when you solve this differential equation, okay, integrating this 4, okay, and we obtain r is equal to c1 plus cos theta, and that one is the equation of family of this orthogonal trajectories, okay. So required equation of orthogonal trajectories of 1. तो देखिए r is equal to c1 minus cos theta दे रखा हुआ है, और उसकी orthogonal trajectory जो है वो r constant 1 plus cos theta बनेगी, okay. So find the orthogonal trajectory of the family of curves r power n is equal to a raised to power n sin n theta. How can we evaluate the orthogonal trajectory of the family of curves r raised to power n is equal to a raised to power n sin n theta? So let us solve this problem, okay. So what is the equation of the family of the curve? Equation of the family of the curve is r power n is equal to a raised to power n sin n theta. This one is the equation of family of curves. This statement is given, okay. So what is the first step? To find the differential equation of the given family of curves, okay. So when you differentiate one with respect to theta, we get this r power n minus 1 over cos n theta dr over d theta is equal to a raised to power n. Now eliminate this a. So from 1 and 2, from this 1 and from 2, eliminate a. So after eliminating a, we get r d theta over dr is equal to tan n theta, which is nothing but the differential equation of the given family of curves. Then next step is to find the differential equation of the orthogonal trajectories. So to find the differential equation of orthogonal trajectories, so for that replace r d theta over dr is equal to minus 1 over r dr over d theta. यहाँ पर क्योंकि इस टाइप से प्रॉब्लम दे रखी हुई है, r is equal to this, differentiate with respect to theta, okay, and when you eliminate this one, we get r d theta over dr is equal to tan n theta. So replace this r d theta over dr is by minus 1 over r dr over d theta, okay. Then we obtain this one is the differential equation, minus 1 over r dr is equal to tan n theta d theta, which is the differential equation of the family of orthogonal trajectories, okay. So differential equation of the family of orthogonal trajectories. Now solve this differential equation for finding this equation of family of curves, okay, family of orthogonal trajectories. So integrating this equation, okay, this differential equation, so we obtain this expression and solve, okay, by putting cos n theta is equal to t and sin n theta d theta is minus dt over n, substitute all these things, right. So we obtain finally r power n is equal to cos n theta b power n. So and that one is the equation of orthogonal trajectories of 1. Clear? So ये देखिए कुछ 2-3 एग्जांपल्स हमने अब किए हैं, ठीक है, वो कार्टेशियन कर्व्स के भी किए हैं, कुछ पोलर कर्व्स के भी किए हैं, राइट. तो इस टाइप के कुछ और प्रैक्टिस करो आप, ठीक है. तो ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग एप्लीकेशन है और इसमें कुछ ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है, आपके पास बस ये ध्यान रखना है कि इक्वेशन ऑफ फैमिली ऑफ कर्व्स आपको दे रखी होगी, फैमिलीज ऑफ कर्व मैं इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि कांस्टेंट होता है वहां पे, ठीक है। कांस्टेंट की अलग अलग वैल्यू करने से आप हर कर्व की इक्वेशन को निकाल सकते हो। सो फैमिली ऑफ कर्व्स वी हैव गिवन, ओके। देन इन स्टेप नंबर 1, फाइंड द डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन ऑफ दैट फैमिली, right, by eliminating the constant, okay. So we obtain the differential equation of the family of the curves. Then write the differential equation of the orthogonal trajectories by using these methods, by replacing dy over dx by minus dx over dy, like this way, okay. And then we obtain the differential equation of the family of the curves. Then final step is solve that differential equation so that we can evaluate the family of the curves, equation of the family of the orthogonal trajectories, okay. So by integrating and by using the various method, various techniques which we have already discussed in ordinary differential equations, right. So ultimately we obtain the required equation of the orthogonal trajectories of one, right. तो इस तरह से ये ऑर्थोगोनल ट्रेजेक्टरी की एप्लीकेशन है, ठीक है। हमारे पास कुछ और एप्लीकेशंस भी हैं, फिजिकल एप्लीकेशंस भी हैं, इलेक्ट्रिकल सर्किट से रिलेटिव एप्लीकेशंस हैं। वी विल डिस्कस इन नेक्स्ट वीडियोस, ओके। थैंक यू वेरी मच।